It's getting dark early. You know what that means. Glitter time. I'm going to take Moira Cosmetics Diamond Daze Liquid Eyeshadow. This is the color Ego. All I'm going to do is add that to the lid. Do the same on the other side. There it is. It gives it this kind of wet look. Then I want to define my eyeline a little bit. I'm going to start with that black eyeliner. The real fun comes in. I'm going to take NYX's Glitter Glue and I'm going to use Lit Glitter's Roxy Roller. Look, I'm going to dip it in my glitter. Then I'm going to press it on the lash line, dip it some more, press more glitter on there, on that glue. This pretty glitter liner. That is the look. I took my daytime look and turned it into a nighttime one with glitter.